All right, this is the lesson in plane geometry unit. I'm calling it 2A. It's perimeter and classifying quadrilateral. The homework that goes along with this is page 7, and the rest of the information changes by year. All right, you want to open in your note packet to page 7. We are talking today about perimeter. To find a perimeter of any shape, you add up the length of all the sides of the outline. A perimeter is basically a fence around a yard. So, if I want to find the perimeter of this triangle, I'm going to add 6 plus 7 plus 15. 6 plus 7 is 13 plus 15 is 28, and my label is going to be inches. So if I put a fence around the edge of this triangle, it would be 28 inches long. Okay, this is a hexagon. These hash marks right here show me that those four sides are equal. So if this is 6, so is this, and this. So if I want to find the perimeter, I'm going to add them all together. 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10. And when I add these all together, this is going to be 24 plus 20 is 44 centimeters. So the perimeter of that shape is 44 centimeters. All right, 3 gets a little bit more tricky. I don't have all the sides, but I need to find them. So look here. This side is 9, and this side is 2. So this missing length here must be 7 centimeters, because 7 plus 2 is 9. This missing piece, this whole bottom part is 10, and this is 6, so this has to be 4 centimeters, because 6 plus 4 will give me 10. So, to find the perimeter of this shape, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to go all the way around. So 9 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 10. When I add that, I get 13, 20, 26, 28, 38. So the perimeter of this shape is 38 centimeters. Okay. Number 4, it says the length of a rectangle is 3 less than twice the width. The perimeter is 54 inches. Find the length and the width. Well, we got to draw a rectangle. It said the perimeter is 54, so I'm going to write that in the inside. It said the length of a rectangle is 3 less than twice the width. Well, I don't know the width, so I'm going to call it x. But it says the length is 3 less than twice the width. Well, wouldn't twice the width be 2x? 3 less is minus 3. Make sure you do minus 3, because it's 3 less. Now, I would highly recommend filling in the opposite side. So if this side is x, so is this side. If this side is 2x minus 3, so is this side. How do I find the perimeter? I add up all the sides. So x plus 2x minus 3 plus x plus 2x minus 3 equals 54. Let's solve this. Combine like terms on this side. That'll be 6x. Negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6 equals 54. Add 6 to both sides. 6x is 60. Divide both sides by 6. X is 10. We are not done. It says find the length and the width. So x is 10. So the width is 10. And it's going to be inches. And the length, let's do this. 2 times 10 minus 3, 20 minus 3, 17 inches. So our length, 17 inches, and our width, 10 inches. All right, we are talking about quadrilateral. Quadrilateral have 4 sides. Trapezoid. One pair of parallel sides. These little marks show that the top and bottom are parallel. A parallelogram, both pairs of sides, of opposite sides, are parallel and equal. So, parallel and equal, parallel and equal. A rhombus. All 4 sides are congruent. A rhombus really looks better like this. It's like a tilted square. 6 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches. That is a rhombus. It's got 4 congruent sides. By the way, a rhombus is a parallelogram. Top and bottom are equal and parallel, left and right, parallel and equal. A rectangle has 4 right angles. Top and bottom are equal, left and right are equal. It is also a parallelogram. And a square has 4 right angles and 4 congruent sides. Now, think about this. A square is also a rectangle because doesn't it have 4 right angles? Yes. Is a square a rhombus? Yeah. Does it have 4 congruent sides? Yes. And a square is also a parallelogram.